Good morning, boys. It's the start of the day. Fresh out the bathroom. Gotta go get dog food first. Also gotta penalty these black doors here and their bonnet for a mate. Strip them out. Started stripping some of them out. Oh yeah, those ones stripped out. Then gotta strip these two out. That's another job for a mate that I've had for fucking way too long. Yeah, do that today. Just loaded up the van with a couple of doors. I'll do it at work today. Grab the other ones later. Because I've got to come back anyway with the dog food. Well, I had the doors open in my van. The dog let herself in. So yeah, that's my other project. I want to paint the roof red, leave the middle white, the bottom blue, and sign right it all passing pen on paint. Another project I want to get done. Do that too. Mind the mess. Also want to put a fucking stereo in this thing too, because we need that. I'll just been rocking the old UE boom. Hey doors. Like the old van doesn't want to start this morning. Bit of fucking chirp. Piss. There we go. Fucking earth. So I just got to the workshop. Haven't even turned the lights on yet. They're shit anyway. Downloading the doors. Brought the dog. Just got her some dog food. Gonna drop her off in her dog food. Pick up the other panels. And then, yeah, into it. Need to get those doors done today. And that thing done today. That 56 sheaves. Bit more driving around and then we'll get into it. So I just had to quickly buff this van because I painted it for the second time yesterday. It's the first time I painted it. Fuck, got massive fucking runs up here and run under the door handle and I'll run in this line under here. So I painted it again yesterday and then because I was scared of it running I put it on real dry. So then today I'm sanding out my dry bits. I'll show you. Like this corner here, see it's dry, like real orange peely, and there's those wee like holes almost. So I gotta sand them out and then give it a wee polish. I'll show you what it looks like after. But yeah, the peel matches the rest of the van. You know, so I can kind of see where I've been buffing, but so yeah, just like sanding that flat. Now I'm gonna have a wee polish. Because you can see where I've been sanding there. And that's after a wee polish. See now it looks mint. No fucking holes and shit. If that focuses, probably not. But you get the idea. Back at the workshop, got the parts from home, dropped that van off. And then hook into these doors. Yeah, go buy some materials because it's first of the month, so I don't have to pay it till the 20th of fucking next month. Buy a shitload of materials because I'm cheap like that. And yeah, fuck, the workshop looks a bit shit, eh? Just haven't had time to finish off the ceiling. Yeah, smash these doors out and then tonight I just went in and got my materials out of my drives, come back to this in my driveway. Weld up the bar back on there so the plastics and shit go back on it. It's all snapped off. Holes, chassis full of dirt to clean up. See it weld that bar and shit back on. The work never fucking stops. That's why I don't plan my day because you can't plan shit like this just turning up, or my phone rings and some company's done something today or this week. Yeah. This is another job I couldn't say no to because the dude that owns it has been waiting on me for a long time to finish his bus. But yeah, so I sort of favour saying yes. Just blowing some dirt out of the chassis, found a couple more cracks. So I'll weld those up too. Yeah, got the dirt out pretty good. I just had another job dropped off from last week that I forgot I said yes to. The dirt was still on. So that needs done tonight too. What's this first? So we got this welded up. And test fitted-ish. Don't have bolts in or anything, but that'll be alright. And then, yeah, fully welded now. And spray can it black. I'll grind up my weld, spray can it black. That'll fucking do. We got that all welded back together and bolted back on and it fits. solid as. Not going nowhere. I told the dude if he wants me, I can put that in my sandblast cabinet and paint it better if he wants, but she's about it on. That's all he wants. Have a bloody tidy up and get back into this fucking thing. That God bike's done out of my driveway. Now I'll do this friggin' thing next, I guess. And these doors that they're my job to do today, and I haven't even touched them. Been mucking around. And that was meant to be tonight. Yeah. I do not have my shit together. Can't paint anything. Just gotta finish up. I really can't be fucked right now. Just gotta do it. Grab the keys. Can't put it on my hoist. Gonna do it on jack stands. So I had to go get the fucking welder out too, because as I was pulling that, it ripped the fucking hole in the sill. Fuck, it's thin. Holy shit. It's a Nissan. Trash. Yeah, I'll tidy that up a bit more, but that's at least the dent out. And yeah, times. Throw a bit, tidy it up a bit, throw a bit of filler over it, spray can prime it, and that's all the dude wants, just to pass away. Oh well, I'm waiting for that bog to dry. I could be putting away my tools, but I'll show you the shop. Because today's theme was meant to be do this, do that, and show you the shop. So, that didn't happen. Yeah. Well, I'll show you the front. So, I got robbed through that window there. So now I got security cameras and shit everywhere. And put up this fucking mesh stuff. So, the front of the building looks very well abandoned, because I didn't want people nicking my shit, but now that you can see cars in here, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, I want to put a big logo up there, and then Patterson panel paint across here, have the building all one colour. Yeah, this earthquake prone building. This 2030. Got to finish off the ceiling, obviously, and got my airlines and PowerPoint reels. I need more PowerPoints. But yeah, the whole building's like that brick, so it's gonna be cool to have, still have some bits lined. Some bits painted, so it looks shit, so I put a line over that and expose the brick. I reckon the brick looks sick. Yeah, that's the logo I want to put in the middle. Way up there. Yeah, shit lighting, it's on the list. More lighting. Yeah, sandblast cabinet, extraction fan. Yeah, got all the Milwaukee gear. Big fan of Milwaukee. When I got robbed, that's what they stole. My 18-volt Milwaukee stuff. Heaps of plans for the shop, but fuck, just time and money. Just one way skim. It's not mint, it's Weaver Ripley, but fuck, it's a sill. It's got no big dents in there anymore. And it's probably got pinhole and shit in it, but fuck, who cares? It's a sill. All we want, didn't want to spend any money, so just gonna prime that now real quick and she's ready. There we go, boys, that'll do it. All it needs. It'll pass warrant, no worries. And if he does want it painted later, that'll be easy to paint for him. I doubt he will, but yeah, you bet we'll see this car driving around in a year's time like that. Oh, now that's done, we can finally get into these doors, start stripping them out. There's two, they've got a wee bit of rust. That one's got that wee bit of rust there. The yellow's like nothing, but if you bog over that, it'll rust out in 6 months' time. And it's getting a fancy paint job from my mate, so we have to cut that out, and this one's way worse. It's got holes that'll rust out. So a couple of patches, the rest of the doors are alright. Be middle of the corner of that one, thought it was a bit suspect, but it's just full of old bog. It ain't restoration, so I'm not digging all that out. The bit that I thought was shitty was the corner, and that's right. So yeah, I ain't being meddling them. They're here just for like wee dents. You can't even see the dent in the video. There's a wee dent in that door. Oh, there you go. There it is. Wee dents like that. Just getting the flash paint job, so you got to have the flash nicely prepped and all that. Yeah, so much for getting into that today. That didn't happen. Because by the time I finish these, my day oh well, I just blocked the first door and it's way worse than I thought they were. These fucking doors, they're full of little dents. So I'm going home for tea. Yeah, just covered in wee dents everywhere. So yeah, going home for tea usually means that I don't come back. So that might be it for the day. If I don't come back, I'll be here fucking early in the morning. Because yeah, I really want to drop these off to my mate tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. He wants painting the weekend, is it? I think it's a homer for him. Yeah, it is a homer for him. Ah, good fun. Well, that's vlogs day 2. If you get to the end of this video, you should send me a message and say, hey man, I watched the whole video, because I reckon they're that fucking boring that people only watch like 30 seconds and then don't see it. But hopefully in a year's time, I'll be a fucking flash fucking workshop with the flash gear, chasing machine, friggin' prep bay. Who knows, could be me in a bigger shed, but I think the vlogs are going to help keep me motivated, and because I feel like I do nothing during the day. Like today, the 2 jobs, this and this, that I didn't even touch, and this I barely touched, and I just feel like I got nothing done today. But I got 3 jobs done, but they weren't the jobs I wanted to do. Yeah, this needs to go, that needs to go, that falcon over there needs to go for like a wedding or a birthday or something. That's repair cert. The dude was here on Friday for repair cert for that. He was happy with it, just need to finish it off. And that one's an extra repair cert. This is a wee rust job on the floor. Yeah, fuck. There's like fucking 8 other jobs out there to do. One big insurance job that I was meant to be here start of January, but I've been postponing them. Yeah, I'm locking my toolbox. I'm out of here. Fuck it, that's enough for the day. That's where I say like, subscribe, comment, and fucking oath. Yeah. The YouTube monetization thing, you gotta do this shit for a year. You get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of viewing, something. Yeah, I reckon it'd be dope to get YouTube fucking cheap. I'm gonna put in a new box for me because this is already. Move it to the wall and then I can take that down. Room for my hoist. Oh, future plan. Yeah, fuck it. Lights are off. We're out of here.